another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I have a drive around tour. I had a question from one of my subscribers about this property that I listed last week, that I put the video last week. And I'm gonna put it up here if you wanna see the property inside. Click on the top here and it'll take you direct. I also will include it in the description below if you missed it last week. And he wanted for me to show him the neighborhood around the home. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm in front of the house that I listed last week, and I'm gonna do a nice tour around the area so they get to see what the neighborhood looks like. Okay, so let's go. This neighborhood here in the southwest Cape Coral, it's very nice. It's check out the homes. See, has beautiful homes. These are all golf axes. Here on the left, on the right, they're dry lots. They don't have no water access on the back. And very nice neighborhood, full of palms. And it's very nice. You see the still lots that haven't been built yet, but God knows who owns them. But there have been new homes all over the place here. I'm sorry about the trash cans. Looks like it's trash day. I wasn't expecting this today, but I have some time to shoot this video, so you know, this is as worse as you're gonna see it with the trash outside. Sorry about that. Over here you can see this also very nice home. A lot of these homes, they rent them, that's seasonal for the season. So this is the Oasis area, because it's really close to the Oasis High School and Oasis Cape Coral charter school system. It has three schools. It has the middle school, it has the elementary, the junior, the elementary, and the high school. They're all next to each other, and they're walking distance from where I am right now. So whoever asked me for the comments on the neighborhood around the home, this is what the southwest Oasis area looks like. I'm gonna now drive down to other streets so you get to see what they look like. If you like this area, what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna put a link below with all the homes available in this area right here. Okay, so feel free to click on the link below, and it's gonna show all the homes available in this area. So when I do my drive-by videos like this, that's what I tend to do. If you would like to see other areas in Cape Coral, try to find my list. I'm gonna try to put the list below also so you can see different areas. And what I do is I have a link. If you like the area, you could actually click on it and take a look at the prices of the homes around that area. So that way it's always up to date. Somebody gets the video a year from now, they'll always go to see the area, and when they click on the button, they'll see the updated prices and what's selling there. Okay, we're going now to this other street over here. As you can see over here, a lot of new construction. For some reason, this area here, everybody likes the palm trees. It's a lot of palms in this southwest Cape Coral. But sorry about the trash cans again. I don't know. If you enjoyed this video and you like to see more videos like this, remember, just hit the subscribe button. I tend to put 1 to 2 videos a week, and I'm gonna start coming with a lot of new stuff probably for October, so stay tuned. Let me see here, so you have a view of what the canal looks like. Over here are the dry lot homes. They don't have, they're just in a dry lot, and they don't have golf access. One of the things, the lots in Cape Coral, most of them are 80 by 120. You also find oversized 85 by 120, and you also could find 120 by 120. Check out this one here. Look how beautiful view there, intercepting canal. Over here, new construction. Okay, over here, this other side here on the right is Gulf Access. These streets here, they run like a U. You have the center, that's the homes that don't have water access, and then you have the ones on the side that have the Gulf Access. Another new construction. Well, that house has a humongous garage. It's 2 double car garage. That's big. Okay, this area here, the water and sewer, it's in. Some of the homes may have something to pay. So that's one of the things that when you're looking to buy a home in Cape Coral, you have to find out if the water and sewer are paid for, or if it's still in the sewer, and you got to find out when is the water and sewer coming, because when it comes, you're looking about right now probably like $18,000 to $20,000 that you have to pay. So they put it in your taxes and you pay, I think it's 15 years, something like that. But that's something very important when you're buying a home in Cape Coral. Sometimes you look at this home and you say, whoa, what a good price, and this and that. It's probably because maybe it doesn't have water and sewer. So most of the area already south of Pine Island, most of it already has it, so you don't have to worry about it. But some of them still have something, that you have to pay. And southeast, most of it's all paid off, so you don't have to worry about that. But those are things that you have to look at, if you're thinking about moving to Cape Coral, there's a couple things you have to look for. Check out this house, so nice. I'm gonna draw a little map showing you more or less the area that I've driven through, and we're gonna put a display. Let me show it right here. This is all the area that I have done on this video, more or less, so that way you have an idea where it's located. And remember, if you hit the link below, you have all the homes that are available and how much they're selling for. You have closed sales, everything. Just hit the link below and it'll take you to a map where all the homes here, so you see the prices. What I'm trying to do with these videos is trying to show you what the neighborhood looks like, and you click on the description below on the link and you get home prices. Can't get any easier than that. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. You can call us at 239-410-7372, and we're here to help you. So my wife and I have been doing real estate here in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida for over 20 years. So we're pretty experienced with the area. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. All right, check out this other new construction here. As you can see, they're building homes everywhere. Nice 2-story home. Very rare here. You don't get too many 2-story homes in Cape Coral. Here's one for sale. It's in an intercepting canal. So, like I said, if you would like to see how much the house is worth, if it's still available, hit that description on the bottom, hit that link on the description, and you'll see. Nice house. I haven't done one of these drive-by tours in a couple, well, you can say a month or so. A lot of my subscribers, they like it. They like it very much. So I'll continue doing them, and I'm gonna try to see if I could do them from other. I'm gonna start doing other cities. Like I'm gonna probably start doing Bonita. I want to do Bonita to show you what Bonita looks like. I want to show you what Bonita Beach looks like. You know, we got Estero, San Carlos. There's a lot of areas that I would like to show about, you know, the area here, Lee County, and basically I started concentrating more on Cape Coral, but now I'm going to start moving a little bit around, so that way you get to see the whole Lee County area. Okay. So if you're interested in seeing more videos of Southwest Florida, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Let me do one more, and I think I'll call it quit. Let me show you here the beautiful canal view. No car behind me, look at that. Let me go a little bit more down. I want to show you where the bridge is. I want to show you the view. Car behind me, so let me hurry up. Check out beautiful homes here. Oh, car left, so now I can stop over on top of the bridge. See, work on new construction. Okay, let me get close here to the side. There we go. Check out that view. That's what Cape Coral is all about. We have more canals than Venice, Italy, and it's just, you know, it's a water world wonderland. If you're into boating, this is a great city for you. Okay, let's keep going over here. So right here, we're in Oasis Boulevard. That's what I have shown you. And I hope you know, get a feel, whoever that subscriber was. I hope this gives you enough information of what the neighborhood around looks like. But since we're here, I want to show you a little bit more. Still got a little more time left. Let me show you a little more Beach Parkway. So right now on Beach Parkway, so I want you to get a more full view of what the Southwest Cape Coral looks like. This street here, Sands, has very nice homes also. So I'm gonna do a quick drive-by here so you could check out the homes, and then I'll call it quits. But these streets here, their homes are just gorgeous. So let me go in here and for you to have an idea. And as you can see, construction everywhere. Construction right there. Now check out these homes here. I'm gonna go slow so you can see it good. The reason why these homes get so bigger and nicer is because the closer you are to the spreader, that's the one that takes you out to the river, the more expensive the homes get. And if you want to see what the spreader looks like, I'm right on the spreader right now. That's what the spreader looks like. From here, you go all the way to Cape Harbor. And from Cape Harbor, you come out, you make a right, and you're out in the river. Okay. So I have a video that I did from Cape Harbor, and actually did it in a floating vessel. Check out that video. I'll put the link here above, and I'll show you what the canals looks like when you're going on in the water, and you'll see what I mean with a vessel, because I didn't do the video on a boat. So try to figure out what I did it on. Tell you what's fun. I'll also include the video in the description in case you missed the little sign on the top. But you know, you could always go back and click on it. Here we go again, more new construction. Well, at least the garbage, the garbage tanks, you know, the trash is not out today here. I'm going to end it up in a good note. Well, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Also, I have also models coming up, you know, in the next few days. I'm gonna put more new homes, new construction with model homes, so you can see what's being built here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.